Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will show you how to make popcorn bark that glows under a black light. To make this popcorn glow, I will be using Rolkem Lumo products. Let us know in the comments if you have used these products and how they worked for you. Rolkem Lumo products are available in paints and dusts. To learn more about these products and how to use them in different kinds of frosting, check out this video over here. Continue watching this video to learn how to make your chocolate glow and how to make a layered popcorn bark. Let's get started. To make this bark, start by melting white chocolate candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals. Be sure to stir the chocolate between each interval and add paramount crystals to thin the chocolate if needed. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and pour the melted chocolate onto the pan. Use an angled spatula to spread the candy coating into a thin layer. Set this aside to set up for 10 to 15 minutes. While the chocolate is setting up, pop the popcorn and place into a large bowl. In the same bowl used to melt the white chocolate, add yellow candy coating and melt in the microwave. Use 30-second intervals to melt the chocolate and stir between each interval, adding paramount crystals if needed. Once the chocolate is melted, add a 1/4 teaspoon of Rolkem Lumo yellow dust and mix well. This will allow the chocolate to glow under a black light. Add some popcorn to a bowl and drizzle with the melted yellow chocolate. With gloved hands, gently mix the popcorn and chocolate until the popcorn pieces are evenly covered. If you have leftover chocolate, add more popcorn to the bowl and mix in the remaining chocolate. Spread the popcorn on a parchment-lined baking sheet and add a sprinkle mix before the chocolate sets up. Set this aside for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the chocolate to harden. Once the chocolate-covered popcorn is set, melt orange candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals. Add paramount crystals to the orange chocolate if needed. Be sure to have any decorations ready to go, such as candy corn and a sprinkle mix. Pour the orange candy coating over the set up white chocolate and spread with an angled spatula. Break the popcorn into smaller pieces and place on the orange candy coating while it is still melted. Add candy corn and sprinkles to the open areas of the bark, then set aside for 20 minutes to set up completely. Once the bark has set up, carefully break it into smaller pieces. Serve immediately or store in an airtight container and serve within 2 weeks. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and give this video a like. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Let us know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this video and what videos you would like to see in the future. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, check out the chocolate candy coating desserts playlist on our channel. Visit our website to check out all of our new products and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to see our video reels. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see your creations and how you incorporate our products into your work, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.